Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to install the Outer Rim mod for Blade and Sorcery on your PC. The first thing you want to do is go to Nexus Mods, and the second thing you want to do is make your account, obviously, but once you're here, you type Outer Rim, and the official one is by King064. It should be the first one that comes up. You click Manual. For the manual download, you click Slow Download, and you will download the Outer Rim Prelude. This will take a while because it's about 2 gigabytes. And once that is done, you can open your files and you can scroll down to whatever disk that Blade and Sorcery is downloaded on. Click Program Files x86, scroll down to Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Blade and Sorcery, Blade and Sorcery underscore data, Streaming Assets, and then Mods. If the mods folder is not there, you need to open your game in your Oculus or whatever else you have Blade and Sorcery on through Steam, and it should show up. If it doesn't, then just create the mods folder the exact way that this is spelled. Once you're done, you can take the Outer Rim mod and right click, extract all, and you'll have the Outer Rim Prelude. Do not put this Outer Rim Prelude mod into the folder. Um, Only drag the Outer Rim into that mods folder by going back to the Blade and Sorcery files. And once you've done that, you'll have the Outer Rim mod, you will have all these custom weapons and maps, and it will be a blast. It's a great mod, I would recommend it. Alright, and that's about it. Thanks for watching.